Welcome Aquarius to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Shells Running. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 4th of October 2021 and so on. Okay. Alright, let's start. Some of you might be dealing with the Emperor vibe, where they are so important to you that you have finally decided to let go of something. This may be the person Aries. For some cases, not for everyone, okay? You might be crossing paths again with someone. Now these readings are general and may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. So because everyone's timeline is different, obviously you know that. Or you may check other signs in your natal chart if you believe in and if you follow that stuff, okay? Now many people ask me whether it is Vedic or Western. I take it in collection, okay? So my way is like messages of importance, and if you believe in all the signs and all that stuff, you may check it. If I don't take even the name Aquarius and I'm doing the reading and it is pertaining with you, then it is for you, okay? So let's start. And okay, just give me a second. So you are going to cross paths with someone in actual sense as well, like in physical form, one-on-one. There is some kind of music that connects you, and that music, of course, in general terms, we play music for someone, or we are connected with that, or some words describe that situation. So maybe it is going to happen in this time frame, okay? Now you may stretch it like a week thing, or you may take it further, but it depends. I definitely feel like someone is going to remember you, or you are going to remember someone. I'm also hearing the word which came actually first when I was meditating, and the message was belonging, okay? So you may take it as belongings or belonging. There is something connected with, like, first thing, whatever is like your belonging, the stuff and all that, you might be taking it along. That may be shifted and all that stuff if it fits you exactly as the word belonging. Apart from that, there is someone who does belong to someone, which means you being part of that, or now is the time to come in contact. Now that can be the energy of love matter here, or anything that is connected with you in this time frame. Okay, there are stuff, there is something which is yours, means you might be preparing it, you might be working on it, you might be taking it along, and then you need to bring it back. That kind of energy is also there, like possible this is about your book, okay? Or your music, or your painting, or something creative, some art, photos, like photographs, whatever it is. It's like connected with the belonging frame here, and we are going to see what comes. 0303 recording time, amazing, okay? And I was just talking, it's connected with my sibling, and I just saw the clock in that time frame, and there was like 333, okay? So if that makes sense. There's movement, definitely. I did last readings like loading, unloading stuff. But someone is coming in contact kind of energy. Let's see your overall vibe here. Please, from souls and spirits, bless us, bless us, bless us, bless us. This was when we did the cut side. This was on one side, you know that, right? Four of Wands energy. It's like lookout. I feel like you are very much, yes, concerned about some area, some work, or your place. But many of you, while shifting, if it is connected with loading, unloading, you are just checking that whether the lock is okay, whether the stuff is okay. It's kind of like your property. Some of you are looking from far. This is mine, okay? Some belongings are such that you cannot take it from the roots, like basically your home possible, okay? So you are very much connected with that, but now you have to shift, okay? This is something heavy that you cannot shift right away, so you have to say like, I'm going to come and check back later. I'm going to come back again to this place. I feel like there's also calling of like pull energy. You belong to, they belong to, and finally you're going to be there. Wherever you are going to be, this is the place that you love. For some, this is about your home, this is about your surrounding, this is about the place where you really love to be. I feel like it's coming like the place you love to be. You stay there, you eat there, you just relax there. You know that it's like homecoming. It is something that, okay, I'm home. Wherever I go, whatever the stuff I do, I work, but finally I'm home. Like, People are waiting here to come home. So as an individual, yes, you are coming home to your family, to your children, to your siblings, to yourself. It is, the place where you feel, oh wow, I'm fine, like kind of energy. Let me see. So this is all about your stability. This is all about your work. This is all about your Four of Wands energy. This is about 11-11 if you look in another Rider-Waite and there are wands, and it is kind of an energy of like getting engaged or married or being in relationship for a long time. Okay, or in coming time it is in the picture. There is certain kind of celebration, and it is also giving me the vibe of preparations. Okay, so this is a heavy preparation mode as well. There is something that is belonging, and it is also the person energy, which is about I belong to you. So maybe someone will end up telling you that kind of energy, I belong to you. Of course you know them. It's not someone who is random coming in your life. This Four of Wands energy is quite prominent with the fact that it is coming, that I belong to you. I cannot say it more. And also, you belong with me, that song. Okay, so you belong with me. And again, look, when I did the cut sign, you had the Emperor on one side and you had Four of Wands energy. I showed you. Okay, you may check it again. With the Emperor, Aries is here, but this is kind of like a harp music, but it is also connected with the love, sarangi, if I'm pronouncing it right. It's a South Korea love concept. I love you. That is the thing here. I feel like someone over here is waiting to catch up with you. If this goes vice versa, good. If this is just from one side, you'll know it. Okay, I think it's also been something that was stopped. Ten of Swords energy. It's like it's of no use fighting. It's of no use quarreling. It's of no use. We should not do it. Okay, it's only the smoke. Whatever we said went into aggression and anger and went into smoke up there. What is the use of this kind of energy, putting in like a war? Okay, having a cold kind of war. I may put that energy in like a cold war. No one is speaking, if that makes sense. No one speaks, but knowing that we are not going to talk anymore, kind of energy. But then again, checking. Okay, I feel like something is coming all the way, as in whatever form it is, message or something. Okay, I've been receiving so many messages, and I do reply. I do try my level best that I can do it. Okay, and I do it. I receive emails, I receive donations. Thank you for all that. Thank you for subscriptions and likes. People wishing me that my channel should grow with like a rocket. Thank you so much for that. And that's all I need. I need your love, guys. Okay, which is important. Let's see. So all that matters is in Four of Wands energy. Some of you are going to stabilize, and you're totally healed. What we say, like healing from inside. Unless and until you're not healed properly, you're going to come back again and again to square one kind of energy. Okay, so many of you are done with a lot of healing here, and that healing means that you no longer desire to have that ghosty situation come back, like return in your life. Okay, that is what the energy is. But I do get this for some cases that it is like they're going to cross paths with you again, whoever this is. Now, this was coming in my fingers, and we should take it. This is King of Cups energy. They are searching, and they are looking for you. Now, how they are looking for you, you might not know even the plan there. Okay, but this person is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, for Aquarius, there's a kind of like a belonging. I feel like this person, you belong with me, kind of energy. You belong with me. And this is Nine of Cups. I feel like someone is looking for you, and they might be, again I'm telling you, they might check your area, they might check your social profile or anything like a status. If not status, they might be just looking at you. They might still have your number, but they might just be looking at your display pic or anything. But that thing, you don't know that they're looking. Okay, some things we don't know. We don't know, but only universe knows it, or spirit world knows it. Now here you go, someone is doing it because they desire to connect with you. Okay, this Nine of Cups energy is looking out for you. They might be around and you might not have even realized it. Now some of you might have had the hint of, like, in last few days or months, possible, or in month, that oh my god, something is happening. You might have actually had that a sense of, like, oh my god, I did I saw him or did I saw her, like, kind of energy. Okay, I saw her, I saw him. That kind of energy is here, definitely. Okay, and again, this person is playing harp. Some music connects you, some music will be entering in your life. Music, a song that you're going to listen to, you're going to actually align with that vibe. Okay, and this person, I'm telling you, this person is looking forward to talk to you. They are finding way. So you have the bottom energy as Judgment, and no point in argument or something like that. It's already stopped very, very, like, back then. Okay, if it makes sense here, this sentence should be right. Okay, sometimes it does go anywhere. Apart from that, there's going to be callback. When I see Judgment, it is giving me the vibe of a callback. So I'm hearing the word thanks. Okay, so it's not a usual thanks. It is something coming as someone is going to say thanks for taking my call, thanks for meeting me, thanks for agreeing to something. Okay, that kind of energy is coming, like thanks. Okay, and I see, like, a Judgment is giving me the vibe of, like, a callback, because time is bringing that moment in your life. Five of Coins. And while I was shuffling, I had the message, like, if had kind of like energy. Maybe someone is expressing that, or maybe they have this desire to express, like, had been kind of like energy. They wanted it back then, kind of like, if I had, okay? So they might not have done it properly, anything. So it's like a lost opportunity, and it is also wounded situation in simple words. But Five of Coins, which is Five of Pentacles energy, it's something that is long lost and gone. You're going to hear from that area. It's kind of like a vibration, music, or something that connects you, or something that is giving you that shadow of, like, someone approaching, kind of knock, footstep, message, anything. This Five of Coins is like, you're going to see, many of you are going to see light at the end of the tunnel, which is very important. Okay, and tunnel is, it's a different concept, but tunnel is kind of having different meanings, different things, afterlife, in this lifetime, ancestors, deceased ancestors, they are presenting themselves in one or the other form to guide you. And I feel it's going to be really, really heavy now in the coming time. Obviously it's October. Yes, so there is this particular thing belonging, and I feel like this is also giving the energy of, like, whatever belongs to you is going to approach you. Okay, it may be person, may it be your connectivity, connections with work, anything. This is like you're very much focused. Okay, Justice. You will be presented with justice and a justified situation. May it be talk, may it be treasure, may it be something that you're figuring out in your life right now, may it be finances, whatever it is as a personal life goal or thing that is going on in your life. This justice is of course connected with legal matters as well, but this is also something that was supposed to be done in a proper way, and now it's going to be done and done and done. Okay, so justice is giving me the vibe of done with whatever you lost, and it is also something that will be presented to you, and like really like a blessing coming from other realm is like shh, they're saying shh. So it's like a universal blessing that is coming in your life. They are trying, it's like they're trying to make you stay quiet for something that will be given to you better than past, better than previous. Okay, like everything will be solidifying in this time, which is going to be happening in equalization. Okay, that is what is coming. Let's see in your future. I will tell you. I feel like there's going to be, now you know, in my readings the callback does come and all. Many receive, many don't. It depends again, because I want for everyone to have solutions to the problems. Okay, let's see in the future. It's going to be the release moment in seconds. Like something is going to be getting impatient and the belonging will happen. Whatever is yours, okay? And also, as in general, I want to mention this here. I'm sorry. I want to mention this. Whatever is your belonging is very important. What just happened? Whatever is your belonging and is very, very, very important. You don't let it fall, okay? Don't let it slip. Don't let it go. Double check it, triple check it. Check it before you leave. Now this is also connected with visas, passports, identification cards, some certificates that you really need for anything here, okay? Anything that is very important to you, you need to figure that out. Check it that it is there, okay? Lock it. That is advice. Belongings. Now here you go, King of Wands energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Someone is, again, I'm telling you, checking, okay? And you have the connected energy with 0, the Fool. Some of you are leaving behind what is not supposed to be yours, and it is like a crawling situation, or this is like a claws, okay? It's like something is tough, something is pushy, something is like it's like about claws I'm talking about, and it gives you scratches and all that stuff. You people are leaving and making way out of something that is not good for you, okay? Now for some of you, now it's like high time. 7 of coins, just 7 of pentacles, but it is also coming as a release factor here. Someone is going to get impatient here. I don't know whose this energy is, because it may be yours, this may be yours, or this may be this person. But I feel like they're looking forward. Now, again, there may be 2 energies in your life. You know them. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries in particular, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Libra is also here. But apart from that, there may be a concoction of both. Like in the natal chart again. If you believe in, you know it, you may check it. I feel like someone is looking for you. Okay, like to land in your area, basically. Okay, now maybe this is about they're checking your place, your social media. They're trying to find source to contact you. I have this one question on 0, the Fool energy. What is that? This is the sun. You people are going to see the sun. Good morning, hope, and this may be even your visit trip. But this energy is definitely something beautiful entering in your life. Okay, I heard visit, okay? So maybe you are visiting some place or someone is visiting you. They want to talk to you. Look, there is a Chariot. You hardly will notice this, but it's going to happen in your life. And whatever is your belonging, like as if like you're returning something or you're getting something. For most of you, I feel like there's like new love, hope, new ray is also here. Look, oh wow. You have the Emperor. You're going to cross paths. Now for some of you, this is connected with the past wave. Now again, regardless of, you know, 2 of Cups or 6 of Cups, it doesn't matter at times, you know. At times it is so clear, but at times they give me the message and I'm going to connect that. Okay, so the Emperor with the Aries vibe, you're going to cross paths, and there's going to be harp, and there's going to be music, and there's going to be something that will bring this platter, like, you know, just eat the stuff that you have. I feel like they are just looking that once they'll I'm sorry, I apologize. Once they will see you, they're going to embark on this journey of approaching you. Like someone is waiting eagerly here. I feel that energy. And I feel like they can't resist it. Okay? And I feel like they know that you're going to ignore them. And that is why I said like it's a thanks coming. Like this thanks is going to be like, okay, I appreciate that you're listening to me. I appreciate that you're going to talk to me. Like, you know, a lot of stuff was done unknowingly. It just happened between you both. Now, I can't say that it just happened because, you know, someone was not aware of it. Yes, people are aware. If I say, I don't like you, not you, okay? If I say to someone, I don't like you, I don't like talking to you, then I know that I'm saying that. But then what are the reasons behind it? Okay? For example, someone can tell me that, you know, maybe I am on their nerves, and that's okay. It just happens because no one is aware. I feel like there is a shadow walk. I feel like there is something that you're supposed to know in this time frame, and I feel like there is someone who is highly interested or desiring to connect with you here. Okay, let's see from this deck. Okay, I don't remember the name, but this one, this is beautiful with all sun energy. Can you give us the vibe? What is in future and what is for Aquarius? What is that they need to know? I know that you know. I know that you know. I know that you know. There's a very heavy energy of Hierophant. The relationship that was, the relationship that is, or the relationship that is coming. Of course, 3 options. It may not. May, not. Like if may not, 50-50? What are you saying? Look, King of Cups energy. Someone who is damn serious about you, or they're going to be. Once part, now wanna be part. Whatever. This energy is like, they are going to bring something and they want it official. Okay? Whoever this is. Baby, I love you. I love you. I love you. Baby, I love you. What is in future? Ooh. No matter what you say, no matter how you're going to react, no matter if you stop this way, you won't be able to stop this way. You may delay it. And ignoring part is also coming, to be honest. Like, I'm going to reply late because you don't know how to react possible in this situation. You don't know because maybe you are having certain conversation after so long. 8 of Wands energy, something that is not moving ahead or getting delayed is because of the reason possible you are not going to allow it. However, this conversation is coming. You again have the Emperor energy. They know, look, listen to me. They know that you are there. They know. And they are observing you. They know that they won't let you go. Okay? Handling certain thing here and finally handling it. Finally, coming up. 5 of Wands energy. You're not interested in arguing. And maybe someone else is not interested in arguing. Rather, they want to end this argument. This 5 of Wands energy is all about something that is a challenge and is going to be challenge for someone here. You or the person. Or even just to talk is going to be challenge. Okay? Like it is like from or amongst the group or amongst the situation or amongst people, like they might have friends, they might have, like it's like a challenging or a competitive situation, like how to get along and how to not get discouraged, rather try and bring the matter. Like this is about, it doesn't matter who is loving me, but the matter is that I love you kind of energy. Some of you are going to deny not to get involved in any argument, any disagreement, any challenge, any fight, any quarrel. Okay? Because you know that what belongs to me finally going to come. Why people need to cry to, why people need to cry to come along with someone? You have 2 of Cups energy. Very, very fixed, very adamant, someone, or very confident, let's say. Determined is a better word. 2 of Cups is, we are going to come back together and strong. So it is like they find, they are going to find peace with you only. This card is so beautiful. Like she is giving him warmth and he is very close to her, because that is what is supposed to be. That is what is supposed to be. Such a beautiful card energy here. 2 of Cups is a reunion. No matter where we look, like it's, you belong with me. That's it. After all this, you belong with me. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.